How would you feel if you could prevent migraines before they start? Barking dogs can cause migraines. Sometimes food can cause migraines. So migraines are severe, and they last a lot longer than a typical headache. If you've ever had one, you know you'd do almost anything to get rid of it. Even this seems like a good idea. Did you know that 75% of people 18 to 65 have experienced headaches? And 30% of those people have experienced full-blown migraines. Many are parents who are dumb enough to give their kids drum sets. Recent studies suggest tweaks to your diet could help decrease the likelihood of you experiencing a migraine. Foods that contain a lot of sodium, foods with additives like MSG, and artificial sweeteners like aspartame. Orange, yellow, and green vegetables like summer squash, sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach. And drink plenty of water, of course. And include brown rice and dried fruit like cranberries and cherries. If you're experiencing the symptoms of a migraine, seek a doctor's advice. I'd do the same thing if you were sleepy or grumpy. Got some all-natural tips for relieving migraine pain? Leave a comment below. I'll see you next time. This whole thing is giving me a headache.